So let's talk about our problem for our math teachers with formatted equations in Gemini. So I've created a prompt in Gemini. I uploaded an image of some complex number worksheets. So I want to create a worksheet, and it's created a beautiful worksheet for me. So now I want to actually go and put this into Google Docs. So when I export it to Google Docs, because it uses something called LaTeX code, it does not like working with Google Docs. So once I put it into Google Docs, it's changed that format into a LaTeX code. So there's no easy way to convert that without installing an extension, which is a security issue for schools, IT departments, that they're not necessarily willing to do. So how do you work around this? Here we go. Let's look. So here's our workaround. So I have my worksheet, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight the worksheet itself. Now that I've highlighted the worksheet, I'm going to right-click on that highlighted area and click Print. Now, once I click Print, I'm going to go ahead and I could print it out from here, but I want to save it. So the way to save it is to go up to my destination and change that to Save as a PDF. So now I've saved this worksheet as a PDF, and I can upload that into my Google Drive and save that worksheet for future activities.